trigger. Now you're going to line right down the barrel, and the ball at the end is what you're going to want to hit.
This is awesome.
Okay? Now you tell me when you're ready.
It's going to kick hard, buddy. You got to hold on strong.
No, just try it. You tell me when you're ready.
He's too high. He's going to shoot into the air. There you go.
You see the box at the ball? Tell me when you're ready. Okay. You want to shoot again?
You did it, buddy. Good job. You fire. You fire. Woohoo! Nice job.